Back with another video. Late video. It's 5:53. I'm recording this. Why so late? Because I don't feel like doing it. I'm gonna be honest. Anyways, let's start off with the journal like usual. So today was a red day. I lost only 168, so not bad. Had a good performance. I said that FOMC day are really difficult, and let's just get into what happened, and then I'll show my executions like the usual. So going into FOMC, so I'm not doing the morning session because I don't trade the morning session. It's very sloppy on FOMC days. I'm only going to be recapping what happened during FOMC at 2 p.m. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say. I don't trade the AM session. I barely even looked at it. It was very choppy. I mean, I'm very glad I didn't trade it. This doesn't really look like I'd be taking any wins in here. So PM session rolls around. It's almost 2 p.m. What I'm really looking at is this 1 hour SIBI, which is like a bearish fair value gap if you don't know what that means. And I have this buy side liquidity marked out here, and I have this sell side liquidity marked out here. What I wanted to see happen, since I'm bullish on the week, is I wanted to see us come down, take out sell side, and then give me my setup going up. So let's see what happened, right? Not market opens. FOMC comes out at 2 p.m. and we immediately make strong moves down. And the first thing we do is we make an SMT with ES right here. That is the first thing we do. Oh shit, I don't know what's going on. SMT with ES. Whoa, I'm not selling shit, right? First thing we do is make an SMT with ES. So I'm like, this is very interesting, right? Fast forward, I'm still not taking any trades, by the way. I'm not gonna take any trades till 2:30. And right now it's 2:21, right? So market keeps going, kind of going up and down, and then we go back down, but we don't take out these lows again, validating the SMT. So I'm like, okay, like the narrative for long is playing out good here, but I don't want to take any longs before we take out this sell side liquidity or before we make a really nice setup. And I just never got that setup, right? Let's go. What happens? I don't know why it's lagging. Hello? Oh shit. Anyways, we go up to this 1 hour SIBI, right? We just pumped up, and I didn't catch any of this move, right? So at this point, I'm really thinking to myself, what are we more likely to do, right? I don't want to mirror my bias. We're in this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, and we're respecting it right now. Are we more likely to pump all the way up during this FOMC time to 930 highs? Are we likely to come down and take out sell side? I wanted to see us come down and take sell side. I didn't think we were that bullish anymore, right? And so I took my first entry here where I got stopped at. Today I took 1 loss and 1 win. Anyways, we respect the SIBI again, and we respect it a third time, and this is an SMT right here with ES as well. Right? We get another SMT, and this time bearish SMT. So I'm like, okay, interesting. And this is where I take my second setup. And basically what happens is it's lagging again. Yeah, market goes down like I wanted it to, kind of consolidates for a while, stops me out, and then runs to my objective. Anyways, this is what happened today during FOMC. I'm going to go through my executions and more of what I was thinking, really, right? So this is the first execution, right? We tap into the 1 hour, we tap into the 1 hour SIBI, and we inverse this gap. We get a CISD right here with a strong candle down. This is one of my best confluences, right? Inverse fair value gap, CISD, okay. Speed going down is the best thing you can see when you're looking for a setup. And I took my short here, only 2 contracts, and I got stopped out pretty fast within like a few minutes, right? It is what it is. I was pretty neutral at this time, which is something I don't want to be, right? On my whiteboard, I have don't be neutral, have a one-sided narrative, but I wanted those shorts. And so when we came back up here and we made this SMT, I said, I'm going to get in this hell, right? So I shorted right here, and I added a contract right here. I added a contract after we broke below this low, and then we tapped into this fair value gap, and we respected this fair value gap. So I said, okay, we took out a low, but we're respecting premium, right? We're disrespecting discount, we're respecting premium. I'm going to add a contract, and I trailed my stop loss. What is 170? 170 is right here. So I trailed my stop loss to the top of this gap. Top of this gap, showed my stop loss, and went all the way up back to my break-even point pretty much, and then it dumped lower, took out my objective, and then whatever, ran back up. I guess I'll show. Okay, so on my evals, oh, this is bad. On my evals, on one of them, okay, actually, I'm gonna start with the combine. Yeah, minus 56 times 3, minus 160, whatever, right? This is my week so far. I really want to get a payout. I want a 2K balance on these 3 accounts, and then I'll take out half. And so I'll take out a, whoa, yeah, okay, minus 300, but last month I was up, right? So I want to have 2K balance total on all 3 of them, and then I'll take out 1K out of 3 of them. So I'll get a 3K payout. Okay, on my expresses, on my evals, I made 500 on this. My TP got edged, but I stopped out for 500. And then on here, oh, this is bad. I'm gonna show you my executions. Dude, I was just like, so I did the same trade right here, right? I got stopped out for plus 500, and then right here I was like, bro, I really just want to like full port this shit. So I was gonna full port both the evals because I was like, I either want to do, I needed $1,000 to pass these 2 evals. I was like, I'm either gonna get $1,000 to pass these evals, or I'll blow them, and I'll just buy 2 more evals because I got money right now. You know what I mean? And I sold 10 on this account. I was trying to go to the other combine, but I didn't go to the other combine, and I sold 10 again. And then it ran down and it ran up. And I don't know. It was just bad. It was just messy. So lost 500 on this combine, but I'm up 500 on the other one. Anyways, I'm going to try to pass this one. I'm going to try this past one in the next 2 days. You know, it is what it is, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't really have much else to say. I honestly don't really want to be making this video, which is why it's coming out so late. But, you know, I got to stay disciplined, consistent, whatever. I'm very, very looking forward to Thursday and Friday. I think there will be 2 very nice trading days. Probability will be on my side. Note to self, this is my 3rd time trying to trade in the PM session. First time FOMC, I don't care. I'm done trading the PM session. Like, I've never caught a win. I've never caught a clean move. I mean, I guess this was a pretty clean move, but like, it's so sloppy. I'm just used to the AM session. That's where, you know, the real shit comes out. That's where I'm used to. So I'm just gonna trade in the AM session. No more PM for me, honestly. And I mean, that's all I gotta go over, I think. Yeah, that's all I gotta go over.